Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In today's video, we are going to see Masale Bhat recipe, which is a typical authentic Maharashtrian recipe, which is rice with the spices and a couple of vegetables. Very easy to make and very simple. Masale Bhat is a very famous signature dish in Maharashtrian weddings. It is served with ghee and as you can see, fresh coconut and coriander as a garnishing. It is also served with buttermilk. It is flavor buttermilk, papad and on the side and achar on the side. So let's get started with the recipe and let's see how to make masale bhat. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to see my future recipes. Thank you. Alright, so I've taken heavy bottom pan and adding 1 tablespoon of oil. You can also take a pressure cooker and cook it for on 2 whistles, and but in this case I'm using kadai and I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of ghee to give that beautiful flavorful ghee taste to rice. Once you see oil is hot, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Once mustard seeds and cumin splutter, we are adding 2 green chilies. I have just given a slit and I'm just using the whole green chilies. And now it's time to add 1 thinly sliced onion. We are going to saute this onion. Once the onion is translucent, it is time to add 1 chopped tomato. This is optional. If you do not have tomato, you can add lemon juice once the rice is cooked, but we're going to saute the onion and tomato here. When tomato is added, we always add salt right after that because it gives a beautiful flavor and easy to cook. So I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mixing it well. Once you see onion tomato mixture is cooked well, we are adding 2 brinjals. These are like small brinjals, and I have added 1 peeled cut potato. Saute this. Time to add the key ingredient. This is the goda masala, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of goda masala. If you have goda masala at home, that's perfect. If you do not have, just store bought, or you can use any recipe for goda masala. So I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix this well. After mixing, keep this covered and let it steam for 5 minutes because we have potato and brinjal that needs to be cooked. 5 minutes are over. Let's check how it's cooked. So let's open the lid and see. Wow, look at that. This aroma of that goda masala is really nice. It's all dry spices that's mixed together. So I'm going to add some cashew nuts. These are just cashew nut pieces. Time to add rice. I have soaked 2 cups of rice after washing, so I'm adding this rice and going to give that a good mix. well mixed with the rice. So now time to add water. So I have added 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. Make sure you have hot water ready with you, because it's going to speed up the process of cooking. So if you are using pressure cooker, then add a little less water, because with the pressure it's going to give us that beautiful cooked rice. Let's add 1 more tablespoon of goda masala and add 1 tablespoon of ghee one more time. Alright, let's cook the rice now. Let's bring this to boil on medium-high flame. Time to add some sweetness to the dish. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of jaggery. If you do not have jaggery, you can add sugar. I think I need some more salt, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of salt. Alright, so we are almost done. Let's add about 1 cup of green peas. These are frozen green peas. I have just added water and now they're almost normal temperature. So I'm adding the frozen green peas. Mix everything well together and let's cook the rice. Let's keep this covered for about 10-15 minutes until you see the water is evaporated and rice is cooked. Alright, looks like my rice is cooked. Look at this beautiful, flavorful rice, and let's check the rice is cooked or not. Yes, I can press this perfectly fine, and also check the potato and brinjal or eggplant is cooked well. It's time to serve. The steamy hot masale bhat, which is flavored rice, is ready, and I'm serving it in a plate. And we will be garnishing this with freshly grated coconut. I have used a frozen coconut, set it in room temperature, and I'm also adding coriander. But not the least, I'm topping it up with 1 tablespoon of pure ghee on the top of this dish, and this is so flavorful and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.